So I'm so excited to share with you this brand new integration with GoHighLevel. Now, HighLevel is one of the most popular platform for those agencies that are doing local small business, brick and mortar, reputation, maybe marketing automation, maybe you're running Facebook ads and you want to do chat back and forth with your prospects. You know HighLevel. This is no new platform, but the ability to start prospecting for businesses is one of the biggest things that you need to have. Now, you have this amazing platform, but you want to be able to reach out to businesses that are your perfect fit. Well, that's where ClickX comes in. Most of the time, agencies that buy the platform, they just have the contacts that they uploaded. Maybe they have some contacts in their business cards or whatever it is. They don't really have a giant database of businesses to prospect. So I'm going to show you exactly how we fix that once and for all inside ClickX. Now, a little bit about ClickX. I just want you to understand that we built the biggest database that you could find on the planet for small businesses. That's right. So if you want to go after brick and mortar businesses, plumbers, roofers, siding, stucco, painting, any kind of contractor, home services, medical services, anything in between, insurance agents, real estate, commercial, whatever it is that you want, we built the database. Now, this is a growing database. This is not a static database. It gets updated every single day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because this is vital for our prospecting system that we built here at ClickX. So we want to help our agency partners generate leads, close deals, and help them with managing the workload with white label fulfillment. So in order to do that, we want to make sure that you're not out there looking for more contacts to prospect or to send a mass email to, or to start a cold email campaign or a cold call campaign. So if you come in here, you put plumber, we are going to get you as many plumbers as you possibly want. We just show you that we have over 10,000, but we have way more than 10,000. We have pages and pages and pages and pages and pages. That's just plumber. Now you can narrow this down to whatever city that you live in, your state, and be able to just contact those people. Now, there may be a niche that you're going after that we're not even tracking, but you let us know. We'll get you as much data as you humanly can afford to manage, right? To be able to outreach. What you do is you take this data, we take this list, and you upload to a list. That concept is something that we manage, so we could put a lot of people into a list, a plumber list, a roofer list, a med spa list, if you can imagine. So I'm going to go to the list section so I can show it to you. So we had a roofer list right here. So these are actually the businesses, the contact information of whatever the town that is. And so if I can click on one of these, you can actually see the names of the people, their phone numbers, email address, everything that I could want. This is Kevin at this company that I want to reach out to. So if I want to send this whole entire thing to GoHighLevel, I'll just click on this data right here, upload data to GoHighLevel. But before you can do that, you need to connect your GoHighLevel inside our platform. So you go to settings, click on integrations, and you will go and actually authenticate with GoHighLevel first. Put in your name and password. That's the best integration that we can build. No need to paste any API keys or anything like that. Once you authenticate, you will have to pick a sub account that you want all of this data to go to. So maybe you have a sub account for your agency, or you can take it to somebody else. Maybe you want to sell data to your customers. Whatever you do, you connect it to a sub account. And once that's done, you go back to list. If I just want to take this data and upload it, push that one button, and as it shows right there, that data with all of this information is now sitting inside your GoHighLevel. It is also tagged with a tag called ClickX. So it looks like this. So you'll end up having the data inside GoHighLevel with all the first name, last name, email address, phone number, whatever it is, and the upload date. And you can now prospect to them, send them cold email, mass email, invite them to a webinar. Maybe you want to do a cold call campaign. Whatever you want to do inside GoHighLevel, that's what you'll get to do with this integration. So we're absolutely pumped about it. If you want to learn more, you could jump on a call with one of our partner advisors to see this in action. Again, there's a lot of partners that are just buying data for themselves, or they're using the data for their clients to do mass outreach. Whatever you want to do with it, as long as that integration's there, you'll be able to go back and forth with GoHighLevel and ClickX. Now, if you have any questions, want to jump on a call, there's a link right below this video. You can do that. Or if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments so that we can help you out, make sure what we have is exactly what you need and whether or not this is the right fit for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.